Jacama not quite ready. And attended in with Jacama. Now they're off, and Jacama has missed the kick by about 8 lengths. And Could You Do came out very quickly, wants the lead from Wise Dragon. Spellcatcher straight into the box seat, then Kiss Me Later, who's racing in about 5th or 6th spot. Hallside Hammer out about 3 wide going to that first bend. And further back then Savvy Sovereign from Wolf Boss and well back Old School. Fluttering second last, and Jacama about 7 lengths away at the tail of the field. Going to the next bend now, and they've got about 8.50 left to run, and it's Could You Do running them along a length in front. Spellcatcher is off the fence and now works to the leader's girth. About 2.5 lengths to Wise Dragon. Kiss Me Later on the inside. Kiss Me Later's travelling pretty well. About 3 lengths to Savvy Sovereign. They've got some work to do, these back markers. They were followed by Hallside Hammer, and further back was Wolf Boss and Fluttering. They're homeward bound from Old School. Spellcatcher, he wants to hang. It's Could You Do at the 250. A half in front of Spellcatcher, who's struggling to get to him. Hallside Hammer's coming home strongly. Wise Dragon's next, and Kiss Me Later. It's Could You Do in front. Hallside Hammer and Wise Dragon on the outside. Wise Dragon hits the lead, and Wise Dragon gets up to win 3/4 from Hallside Hammer. Third, Kiss Me Later. They were followed in 4th place, possibly Could You Do, followed by Old School, pulling late ground, and just behind them Savvy Sovereign. Then a gap in the field of Fluttering, followed by Wolf Boss, Jacama. It all went pear-shaped at the start, but hold your tickets. We'll check with the stewards on Jacama, and the last one in was Spellcatcher. So Wise Dragon coming back from 2,000 metres.